The spunky little sibling in the Volvo lineup is the 2023 XC40 SUV, which blends Volvo's safety-first ethos and upscale ambiance with a more youthful character. The XC40's cabin is practical and nicely trimmed, and the seating position is much higher than that of rivals such as the BMW X1 and the Mercedes-Benz GLA class. A host of technology features are at the ready as well, including Volvo's advanced driver assistance tech and a new Google-based infotainment system. Two 4-cylinder powertrains are available, both with a 48-volt hybrid system, but only the more powerful of the two has all-wheel drive. An electric version is also available if you're looking for a more eco-friendly option. Not only has the 2023 XC40 adopted Volvo's new Core, Plus, and Ultimate trim levels, but it has also swapped out its T4 and T5 4-cylinder powertrains for new B4 and B5 ones that feature a 48-volt hybrid system. To mark the occasion, Volvo has given the XC40 a light exterior styling refresh that includes revised headlamps, an updated front bumper and grille, and new wheel designs. 3 new colors, bright dusk metallic, platinum gray metallic, and silver dawn metallic, are available, as is a new city block textile upholstery option. Under the hood of every XC40 is a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder powertrain, making either 194 horsepower in B4 form or 247 horsepower in the B5. Both feature a 48-volt hybrid system. The more powerful B5 pairs exclusively with all-wheel drive, while the entry-level B4 comes only with front-wheel drive. At our test track, the all-wheel drive B5 model hit 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds, which is slightly quicker than the older T5 version, which scooted to 60 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds. The 8-speed automatic transmission handles gear changes without delay and transmitted no harshness to the cabin while doing so. Our sole complaint was the coarse sound the engine emitted under heavy throttle. The XC40's towing capacity, a rarity among subcompact luxury crossovers, remains a stout 3,500 pounds. The XC40's EPA fuel economy ratings are a class-competitive 24 mpg city and 32 mpg highway for the B4 model and 23 mpg city and 30 mpg highway for the B5. Contemporary Swedish styling meets fun and functional design inside the XC40. The cabin's light and airy atmosphere imparts a truly upscale vibe even in the base core trim. Passenger space is commodious in both the front and rear seats, as is the case with its more expensive stablemates, the XC60 and XC90. The XC40 is functional inside, well made and beautifully designed, if not quite as plush and luxurious. Volvo designers took the opportunity to incorporate more youthful flourishes in the cabin of the Plus trim, such as the textured metallic trim in place of traditional wood inlays and rectilinear vents with floating chrome adjusters. Top-of-the-line Ultimate models sport a classier appearance, with driftwood trim and a shift knob crafted from Aurifer's crystal. In our luggage test, the XC40 managed to accommodate 23 carry-on suitcases with its rear seats folded. Additionally, Volvo has integrated a number of inventive cargo storage features throughout the XC40's interior, such as a hook that flips out from the glove box to hold takeout bags, a divider for the cargo area, and a removable garbage bin with a hinged door in the center console. The same can be said for the 9.0-inch touchscreen media system, which is of the portrait or tablet style, and has a bit of learning required to get the gist of all the functions. I like some elements. You can log into the screen with your Google account, for instance, but to me it feels like the processor for this system is at its limit. It'll take a good couple of seconds to load the climate control screen, for example. That's one of the reasons I hate having the important climate controls through a touchscreen and not by way of buttons. It's the same thing for the drive modes. A car like this doesn't need a drive mode selector button, but you tend to find you'll forget there even is an element of adjustability because the controls to make changes are behind a few swipes and taps.